Okay, here is the play date. There's Cayenne, and there's Scott, and there's Camilo, and there's Reese.
You want some water? I'll give you your own.
Hi, Camilo. Oops. Reese is just learning how to crawl. And here's my big, oops, I can't tip it that way. Here's my big lug just checking it all out. And this is Cayenne that just threw a few things around, and Scott still hasn't even taken notice.
Hi.
It's Mary.
Thanks, Kai Kai.
Kai Kai, you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.